BI. I have shared one Excel sheet with you just few minutes before joining the course, so that Excel sheet you you download, okay, over your desktop, okay. And I think you just reply me yes or no that you have downloaded Microsoft Power BI into your computer, so that we will directly jump to the building dashboard. Otherwise, I will explain from the scratch how to download the Microsoft Power BI. That's why most of the engineers now they have enrolled for the video, that is recorded session. So these recorded sessions are available to them, okay. And the first recorded session, that is the P1, that is for how to download the Microsoft Power BI, how to create your first dashboard of Microsoft Power BI, okay. So that utilizing some tools, and the same tools we can use, the same tools we can use for building our project dashboards, okay. So this is important. So let's okay, so we will start here right now. So how many of you have downloaded? Okay, Miss Mansa Memori has downloaded. Mr. Sandeep Kamble, what is about you? Have you downloaded? Yes, okay. Mansa has downloaded. Then Sandeep Kamble has downloaded. Then who else? Who else has done? Hemant Yadav has downloaded. Good, good, excellent. So that we will save lot of time, maybe half hour, 1 hour from our session. We will save. What is our Mr. Mohammed? You have downloaded? Okay. So if you have downloaded, then we will continue. Okay. Just I will share the screen with you. So right now, everyone, you are welcome to Power BI Mastery Camp for the civil engineers. Done. Now this Power BI Mastery Camp, it is designed for all the group of civil engineers, whoever from the student phase to the project director or the owner of any construction company. Okay, that is, this course is designed for everyone: civil engineering student, fresh engineering graduate, site engineers, planning engineers, project manager, operations manager, general manager, and even the project director. So as per as as per your hierarchy, you can use Microsoft Power BI. You can use Microsoft Power BI data analytics tool, okay, to perform or to excel in your career. Okay. Now, how will be our structures of the structure of our webinar? Our webinar is a 3 days program, daily 2.5 hours. Okay. On Saturday, it will be 8:30 to around 10:30 or 11 o'clock. Sunday morning 11:30 to 2 o'clock, and Monday again same timing 11:30 to 10:30 or 11 o'clock. Within these 3 days, we are going to learn implementation of Microsoft Power BI for the construction projects. Okay, done. Next thing is that now I will introduce you what is Microsoft Power BI, how it is utilized. Okay, then the content of our webinar is, that is, understanding the input, that is Excel sheet, that is the building the daily progress report, methodology of filter application, how we are going to apply filter to our the data and get the correct information from that filter. Prepare some question and answers, okay, which management requires, okay, and then we will resolve some assignment, and from some model project we will create the dashboards. We will create the dashboard, and these dashboards will give us the complete information about the project, okay. Now in this tutorial you have one PDF file also in the recorded session, that is from Excel workbook to stunning report in the Microsoft Power BI, okay. And the today's this is our today's target, okay. Now what is the Microsoft Power BI? Microsoft Power BI is a collection of software services, apps, and connector that work together to turn your unrelated sources of data into coherent, visually immersive, and interactive insights. Okay, so Microsoft Power BI will provide us from our not connected data, that is the multiple source of the data. It will give us the correct and the required information, okay. Now I welcome all the civil engineers who have joined this Microsoft Power BI Mastery Camp. Better to call this camp as an empowerment camp for my civil engineering friends, okay. Now myself Shripad Khapade, civil engineer. I am from Amravati University in 1993 pass out, and work in Oman and India for around 13 years. I was 14 years in Oman and work in India in various construction companies. One of that was the Reliance Industries also. And in Oman, I was in the Al Tasnim Enterprises for 14 years, single company. Okay, this webinar is specially designed for the civil engineers. I want you to be a techno-savvy engineers with hands-on knowledge of modern software tool. Power BI, ERP. ERP is also a most trending software for the construction industries, which process all your construction requirement, even from the material purchase, DPRs, all the informations together, okay, work orders, billings, and everything like the SAP, okay. So that also in next courses I have that courses also of the ERP courses. Data analytics are key tools for your career growth, okay. In 3 days mastery camp you will learn daily progress report, understanding project profitability, LMP means labor, plant and material, and project data collection, building MIS dashboards in Microsoft Power BI. Power BI as a planning, recording and monitoring tool. Power BI as a decision making tool. Okay, project planning, control operations and management require project specific insights to take important decisions for effective handling of resources. Okay, now what are my learning? This is just about myself that I explained to you, and which are the projects, that is the Reliance Corporate Park I have completed, some roads and infrastructure work I have completed in Oman, Muscat International Airport infrastructure facility I have completed, okay. So these are the various projects. Now system requirement, there is one video shared with you, recorded video shared with you, and all these new computers have this system requirements. So don't I don't find it to go into the details. This video link is available, okay. Over the YouTube also these videos are available, and you can, as you have downloaded beautiful report from start to finish in 20 minutes, okay. Though it is saying 20 minutes, okay, I have to communicate with you, I have to explain you, you have to do on your own, or if you fail to do so, again we have to repeat the procedure. So let us assume that 45 minutes will require to us to complete this dashboard. Okay, so now this is a executive summary finance report, that Excel sheet I shared with you. That is some data from the sales department who is selling the various product to the various countries. Okay, and all the record is mentioned there. Okay, and from that their manager wants to see a report on your latest sales figure. They have requested an executive summary of which month and year had the most profit, where is the company seeing the most success by country region, which product and segment should the company continue to invest in. So you see here in this graph, okay, there is some graph which is showing profit by the month and year. Okay, so where is the maximum profit? This is the point where we will get the maximum profit. So from the original graph, this may be in the end of the December 2014. So this point is showing the maximum profit December. Then where is the company seeing most success by country or region? Okay, so let me open another sheet for you, so that will explain to you. Okay, I will open another sheet so that first your concept will be clear, and then we will jump to building the dashboard, so that you will understand what you are building and what is the purpose. So you will find here some bubbles. Okay, which big bubble, that is the depending on the size of the bubble, when you move the cursor you will see the figures here though. So the bigger size bubble is the bigger profit. Okay, so profit by country. So just this line will give a report to you. When I move the cursor over here, it will show some France country and the profit all, which product and country. So this the third graph, it is showing the profit which are giving the products which are giving the maximum product by the segment. Okay, so in just simple three graphs, okay, you have got the question to all of your answers. Instead of preparing long Excel sheet, filtering the data, taking the figures, making the printout, showing to the management and a lot of correction, this is the simplest way to show to the management. Okay, so now I will open here for you the Excel sheet prepared in the last session. So you here, this is the profit by month. So month and year had the most profit. See, this dashboard is interactive dashboard. To cursor here, you will see the figures also over here. So profit is 20,12,581 dollars or dollars in the month of December 2014. So this is the most profit making month and year. Next is which country is giving the most profit by the region. So here in the next data, what you will see, here you see I move over the big bubble. Where is the big size bubble? Here I move my cursor. Here is 31 lakhs 51,265. Next bubble is Europe, 30 lakhs. Next bubble is, that is the Canada. So from the size of the bubble, and once you move the cursor, you will see France is the most profit making country in the Europe area. What is the next? These are the products, which product is performing and which segment is performing. So in the bottom you can see the various product, Pasio, VTT, Velo, Armelia, or the Cartera. Okay, these are the products, and these are the segments. That is the you will find in the legends. There are some blue is the government sector. So government sector is performing everywhere. So government sector is giving the good sale, and which product that the Pasio product is the performing. Okay, so these are some conclusions from our database, and these data are interactive. If I click on any month, you will find the data for that month also. Okay, what is the profit, some, or even the depending on the scale also. Or if I put only for my cursor over some single product, it will give all the data for that product only. Okay, if I click on the Pasio or the government sector, these are all the profits for the government sector. So where is the government sector giving maximum sale? It is in the Canada, like that. So these are the interactive dashboards. Okay, so you got answer to your question. Is it worthful to you? Is it useful to you to use the site daily progress report? Okay, and to get the correct information for your project. Okay, and you will be a masterpiece of your company. You will be a masterpiece of your company, and you will provide some valuable information in each and every meeting, or on the daily basis you can give a correct data to your management, and sitting from your office you can take lot of decisions. Okay, so this is the basic concept of Microsoft Power BI. Okay, done. So let's continue. Now download the sample data that I have shared with you. Okay, prepare your data with the few transformation. That transformation I will teach you how to do the transformation. Build a report with the title, 3 visuals, and the slicers. Okay, and publish your report to the Power BI service so you can share it with your colleagues. Okay, these are the procedures how we can create the data right now. So before you start, you need to download the Microsoft Power BI. Yes, because now what I want reply from you, that whatever the steps I am following, same step you have to follow. Everyone has computer with you. Everyone has computer with you. Are you with your computers? Yes, you have. You Umar have. Who don't have the computer? Okay, everyone has the computer, so that we can go ahead. And today, after end of this, or maybe around 10:30, you have to share your reports to me. Okay, like this same dashboard, you will build the dashboard and you will share the dashboard with me. Done? Agree? Okay,
Done,
now
sir.
done. Thank you. Get data in Power BI desktop. Okay, so what is the procedure how to get the data in the Power BI? So I am going to explain you this first, the screen of Microsoft Power BI dashboard. Okay, so in the center portion, this screen is, now everyone is with this type of screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, so okay, so this central portion is called the canvas. Okay, on the right hand side you will find the pane. Okay, that is called as, central portion is called as the visualization pane, means where we are going to build, these are the tools with which we are going to build our dashboards. okay, with the help of various charts. Okay, these are the various charts.
तो क्या करना है हॉस्पिटल में? नहीं, कोई ट्रेनिंग की
Okay,
जरूरत ना है।
then the central portion has the two parts. First is the build visual, and the next is the format visual. Whatever the charts we have built, that we have to format. Right hand side you will find the data pane where we are going to import our Excel sheet or basic daily progress report from our site. And on the left hand side of the right part of the screen you will find the filters where we are going to apply various filters. Okay, this topmost portion is called as the ribbon, which has the lot of functions, okay, that we will apply to our visuals. And on the left hand side you will find the three types of view. Once we select, that is the report view. Report view means it will show the visuals. Next is the data view, that is on which data we are performing our procedures. And the third one is the model view. Model view means how we are linking our various data, that is called as the model view. Okay, these are the three types or the basic information about the Microsoft Power BI dashboards. Okay, now here there are the various tools which we can use for importing the data. First is from the Excel, next is from the SQL, third is from the we can paste the data into a blank table and try a single sample dashboard, that is from the inbuilt. Okay, so I have shared this Excel sheet with you. The same Excel sheet you can import from this ribbon portion also. Okay, so you can click anywhere, import the data, and where you have saved that data, you just go to that source and financial sample, so that that data will be imported here like this. Okay, so you perform this activity. Done. Now after importing this data you will find one financial sheet and other is the single sheet. Okay, so you select this financial one. So once you select the financial, whatever the content in the financial, that will appear here. Okay, and here in the bottom you will find the transform data. That transformation you have to do. You just tell me whether you have completed this procedure, then we will move ahead.
डन सर।
Done, huh? Okay, good. Everyone. Okay, so if you are done, then you click on the transform data. Then I will explain you what is the transformation. Okay, you click on the transform. Now what is in the tutorial, we will follow the steps in the tutorial. What is the purpose of following the steps in the tutorial? That we are going to learn various tools in the Microsoft Power BI. Okay, that's why I have taken this tutorial first. Otherwise, if I directly jump to our application, to the Microsoft application, to the construction, okay, then you will be somewhat confusion. So this is our training session, and tomorrow you will be more familiar with it. Okay, so the tomorrow same steps will be repeated. Okay, now you have landed on this tutorial from the Power BI desktop. Go ahead and choose the load data. That data you have loaded, and now financial sample of the Excel book you have downloaded. Now you just click the transform data. Okay, and what we are going to do in the transform data, that we have to perform some actions over our raw data, so that that data should be in the correct format. Correct format means if it is in the text, that must be in the text. Power BI must recognize the data as decimal or whole number or the date, then only we can create the correct information. Okay, so this is the purpose. Okay, now this preview may be up to 70 days old, that's why it is asking me for the refresh. So I have done the refresh, so no issues in doing the refresh. Okay, then I will explain you this column headers. Okay, these are visible to you, column headers. My screen is perfectly visible to you.
Same, sir.
Yes, same. Okay, good. If it is then you will see in the column here you will find ABC, then and at the center you will find the name of the column, and on the right hand side you will find the drop down menu. If you click on the ABC, you will find here the formatting tools. Same formatting tools are available in the transform and the data type also. Okay, so what is the better way is that you just click on the ABC. ABC means text. Then 1.2, here my cursor you see 1.2 is a decimal number. Then 123 is a whole number. Okay, so once you click here, you will find the transforming tool just right there. And if you drop down, then in the drop down menu you will find the all the content of this column that is in the drop down menu. So first column is the segment. Now we will go to the tutorial. What it is told, select the unit sold column on the transform tab, select the data type, then select the whole number, choose replace current to change the column type. Now what we are going to do here, just go to the unit sold column, go to the unit sold column. Okay, go to the unit sold column. Unit sold column is in the decimal format. 1.2 is a decimal format. We want to see in a whole number, so just click on it, 1.2. Then you select the whole number 123, and it will ask change the column type. The selected column has existing type conversion. Would you like to replace the existing conversion? Conversion means would you like to change from decimal to whole number? To preserve the existing conversation and add the new conversation as a separate step, replace the current. Okay, so that all the decimals are removed and this data into the whole number. You perform this activity. If any issue, then just contact me. Next one, that is, okay, this we have performed, we have changed to the whole number. Everyone has done. Select the segment column. We want to make the segment easier to see in the letter, so let's format the segment column on the transform tab. Select the format, then select the uppercase. Okay, select the format and select the uppercase. So first column is our segment. Okay, so what you will do, select the format. What you want to do here, you just select the formatting tool. Okay, where is the format? In the transform tab, go to the format here in the ribbon section and make it the uppercase, so that all the characters become capital. Okay, you just reply me because I have not opened the chat over the screen. That's why what, even if you are writing something that is not visible to me, so it is better, sir. Okay, I have
Done,
performed, I have not
done, sir.
uh, done. Or if somebody is not doing, don't don't be behind the others. You also tell, sir, sir, wait for a few minutes, I will
So
talk.
done. Done.
Done.
Done, sir,
Okay.
done.
Good. Okay, so these are the simple, just like Excel. Just keep in mind as a, it is very easy. Okay, within half an hour you will build a fantastic dashboard. Okay, next step is that let's shorten the column name from the month name. That is, you can change the column name also. Double click the month name column and rename to just month. Okay, so what is the next step is, that is, go to the month name, month number, and just double click here and write month only. Delete the month. You can write here or you can change the month name also. Okay, I don't know, I have month number. Okay. Oh, okay, I will undo it. This is month name. I want only here, instead of month name I will write here month only, and earlier it was the month name. So no problem, even if you change from the month. This is the month number column name conflict. Okay, close. Month, this was the month number, and this is only month. Okay, done. Next step is month name we have changed. Then the product column, select the drop down and clear the box next to Montana. Okay, this is Montana is a product. We know that Montana product has discontinued last month, so we want to filter this data from our report to avoid the confusion, so that you can filter the data also. Okay, if you do not want some rows or some segment or columns, then go to the product section, drop down menu, and unselect this Montana, so that Montana will be removed from the our table. Okay, so you follow this step. Now
Done, sir.
you done. Good. You see that. So how you are doing? You are keeping one mobile with you and doing on the computer like that, or over the same computer. It is possible to you.
Same computer, sir.
It is possible, na?
Yes.
Okay, good, good. Okay, so now Montana we have discontinued. You see that each transformation has been added to the list under the query setting. Query setting means on the right hand side you can see whatever the steps we have done, that are going to be written here. Source first we have selected, then navigation, then the change type. Okay, column type, this data type we have changed, then uppercase we have changed all these sector, government sectors. Then we have renamed the column, that is month name to the month. Then we have filtered the rows also. So whatever the steps you are doing, those steps are written here, and if you want to undo that step, just cross here, so that it will be restored to its original position. Now next is the, whatever the steps applied, you can see here. Back to the home tab, select close and apply. Your data is almost ready for building a report. As you see the sigma symbol on the field list, Power BI has detected that those fields are numeric. Power BI also indicates the data field with a calendar symbol. Okay, so your first data, you can see here date. You have to go through each and every column to check whether it is correct. You see here date column, calendar is shown. That means the Power BI has detected this column as a date column. Okay, otherwise if there was a text or anything, then we have to correct. Okay, month number, will be in the whole number. It should not be in the decimal number. So this we have to apply some common sense. Okay, and we have to change, because generally it happens when we import the data from the Excel which is not in the correct format. Okay, so you just go to the home tab, and here on the left hand side you find close and apply. Home, here go and close and apply, so that all the data will be imported here. You see here data started importing, and on the right hand side you will find some all the Excel sheet will be imported on the right side.
Done, sir. Hello?
Good. Yes, yes,
Hello?
good. The computer very fast or also fast. Have any problem? Anyone is any problem? No, click on the because what is done is the like okay. Let's see, and I have multiple files. Although okay, because I have lot of Power BI, because my memory is almost full. Okay, so it has imported, and on the right hand side you will find the financial. Okay, the table here. Okay, so you will find here the summation or the summation sign in front of these our tables. Okay, so that in front of the columns, so that Microsoft Power BI has detected the sales, COGS, then discount, gross sales, manufacturing, month number as a numeric, and we can do the summation. We can do the summation of these columns. Done. Now we have done close and apply. You can find the summation signs. Then extra credit, write an expression in the DAX. Okay, writing measure and creating table in a DAX formula language is super powerful for data modeling. There is a lot to learn about the DAX in the Power BI documentation. For new, let's write a basic expression and join the two tables. Okay. So here is DAX means data analytics expression. Okay. So here itself in Microsoft Power BI we can do some calculations, maximum type of calculation we can do, and we can create, and we can perform the calculation on the tables and create the new tables. This is the simple. That means if there is a value of 1 in one table, value of 2 in the two table, we can add both the tables, 1 plus 1 plus 2 equal to 3, and create a third table. Okay, this is the simple
सर
procedure.
सर
Yes.
मेरा रिबन डिफरेंट है सर.
Yes, tell me.
मेरे जीवन में जो होम में सर ऑप्शन आ रहे हैं ना सर,
हाँ,
वो आ रहे हैं गेट डाटा, एक्सेल वर्कबुक, डाटा हब, एसक्यूएल सर्वर, ये आ रहे हैं सर, ये नहीं आ रहा मेरे इसमें।
नहीं नहीं, आपने अब तक का प्रोसीजर किया नहीं क्या? कुछ भी नहीं किया आपने अभी?
कंप्लीट किया है सर अब तक
नहीं।
का।
हाँ तो नहीं नहीं नहीं, अभी ये विजुअल देखना नहीं है ना। अब अभी आपने एक दूसरा साइट ओपन किया रहेगा नया वाला। यू जस्ट गो टू द वेयर यू हैव, ये इंपोर्ट नहीं किया आपने, क्लोज
सब
एंड
कुछ किया है
अप्लाई नहीं
सर,
किया,
कर
तो ये
दिया है
आ
सर।
गया। ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड में ये आ गया, पूरा डेटा आ गया।
डेटा आ गया सर।
आ गया है ना? ओके ओके, डोंट वरी देन। डेटा अगर आ गया राइट हैंड साइड में, समेशन साइन दिख रहा है पूरा ये।
सब दिख रहा है सर।
गुड गुड गुड, नो नो वरीज, नो वरीज। Okay, maybe your new version or something. Okay, so here also you can import the new data. Okay, now you have finished, so you can build the new dashboard, don't worry. Okay, so now
पर,
just tell me.
पर ये ऑप्शन सर जो हमारे लास्ट में है ना, न्यू विजुअल, टेक्स्ट बॉक्स, मोर विजुअल, ये नहीं आ, विजुअल तक आ रहा है, इससे आगे नहीं आ रहे सर। आप मेरे में ऑप्शन, आपके में ऑप्शन उतने ही आ रहे हैं जो, पर ये पीडीएफ में जो दिखा रहे हैं सर वो सारे नहीं आ रहे इसमें।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, पीडीएफ में जो दिखा रहे हैं ना, सुनिए, अभी ये जो पीडीएफ में दिखा रहे हैं ना सारे ऑप्शन, ये ऊपर के ऑप्शन
जी
नहीं दिख रहे आप? क्या रिबन नहीं दिख रहा है ये?
रिबन दिख रहा है सर, जैसे न्यू मेजर्स, चेक
नहीं नहीं नहीं, वो
मेजर्स।
दिखाएगा ना, वो डोंट वरी, वो दैट इज इन द टेबल टूल्स, वो दिखाएगा आपको। दैट्स व्हाई यू जस्ट फॉलो दिस स्टेप्स। ओके, what I will do right now, we have to prepare one new table here. Okay, total unit sold, okay, is equal to sum of financial unit sold. So what I will do, I will just copy and text this formula to you right now. Okay, I will copy and I will text this formula to you. There are the two ways. Okay, either you can copy paste this formula, or we can type a DAX formula. We can type a DAX formula also. Okay, so we will just follow the step by step. Type the expression to add all the numbers in the unit sold column. Okay, unit sold column, there are the numbers, so we want to add all the numbers in the unit sold column. So you just come here, you go to the new measure in the home tab. You are in home tab?
यस सर, न्यू
if
मेजर्स
you are in the
ऑप्शन
home,
है।
no, in the home tab you will find
यस सर।
the new measure. Okay,
जी
so that we require, so you click on the new measure.
यस सर।
You click on the new measure, then what will happen, on the top one formula bar will appear.
Yes,
Okay,
sir, yes,
formula
sir.
bar, measure. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
here two step, either whatever the text I have sent to you, that also you can copy paste, or you can type here what is that formula. You can type here total units sold. I will type here total unit sold equal to, okay, total sold equal to, then what is in that formula? I will type here sum. Once I type the sum, okay, I will select the sum, then sum from the financial tool, which table? Total unit sold. If you scroll down, you will find unit sold, financial unit sold. Just enter. Okay, and if you enter, one new table is created, total unit sold. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Like
एक
this
new
you can,
units.
yes,
sir,
or,
yes,
or otherwise whatever what I have done, I have sent a text to you. You can copy text also. Okay, that is also a procedure. So by this way you have created a new column, total units sold. So in this column you will get the total number of units sold. Then Next step is, who has not performed? Anyone out of you, have you done any completed?
Yes, done.
Who is, yes, done na? Anyone is facing problem? Okay, you just type S. You have done, so that I will continue.
Done, sir, done.
Done. Good, good, good. So excellent. Okay, I am happy. Now, next step is select the check mark. Okay, now no need to select the check mark also. Once we do the enter, the check mark is auto selected. Now select the data view on the left. Data view. This is the data pane. Okay, data view. And from here, on the home ribbon, select the new table. From here also we can create a new table like financial, and type this expression to generate the calendar table of all the dates between 1st January 2013 and the December 31 2014. So what is the meaning of this? That we are going to create a new table, which table has the columns of the date ranging from 1st January 2013 to 31st December 2000 for the 2 years. 2 years means it has the 3 tables, that is the day, that is the date, year and month also. Okay, so we have to create a table. So which is the formula for that one? Calendar is equal to calendar date. This is the date formula 2013 to the date 2014. So I will copy paste for you. I will send in the chat box for you. Okay, and you copy paste there. Okay, in the data. So where you have to go? You have to go to the data view model to create a new column. You go to the data view. Okay, you go to the data view. Then in the data view there is a home table. You will find a new table. You have to enter a new table. Okay, in the home tab. So just go here, go to the home tab and type on the new table, not a new column. Column means a single column and table means the whole table. Okay, so you select the new table. Once you select the new table, again the same formula bar will appear here. So I need to just copy paste the formula there. I will do the calendar is equal to the calendar. Calendar means the, like earlier there was a financial, now this is the calendar table. Then which column I want? Date. And what is the range in that date? 2013 1 2013. So once you commit, click on the commit sign, you see here new calendar table is created, and under that table you will find the date and the date hierarchy. Okay, year, quarter, month and the day. Okay, so this new table is created. You see here, new table is created. You will find the date hierarchy, year, quarter, everything is here. 1/1/2013 to 2000 up to the 2014 you will find, so that we can filter our data as per our requirement within this data range. Now, have you performed this activity? This is somewhat critical, but you can do it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So what you have to do? You have to go to this data view. Okay, in data view In the home tab, you have to select the new table, and in that new table you have to type this formula so that new table will be created. In that new table you will find the date. Now you go to the modeling view, model view. Okay, what you have to do, you go to this model view. In model view, now you will find the two tables created by you. One is the financial table, next is the calendar table. And what is the common in both the tables? That is a date. We have to tell Microsoft Power BI that both the dates are interrelated. Okay, if I change something in this date, if I click or select the date, then this date must filter the data in the financial table. Or if I click the date on the financial table, that may correlate the data in the calendar table. Okay, if some other columns are available in this calendar table. Okay, so now how we are going to create a relation between these two dates? Drag the date field from the financial table to the date field in the calendar table to join the table and create the relationship between them. Okay, so drag the date from the financial to the date in the calendar. You just concentrate on my cursor, what I am doing. I am dragging here. Dragging means by clicking the mouse. Okay, and I am releasing the mouse here. Okay, and then the relation is created between the date. Okay, date of two tables. Done.
Done, sir.
Good. Okay, now you return. To the, this connection is done. Now we have to start building our visuals. Build our visuals like this. Okay, we have done the transformation. We have created the two tables, that is the extra credit activity, and we will start building the report. Build your report. Now that you have transformed and loaded your data in it's time to create your report. In the field pane on the right, you see the field in the data model you created. Let's build the final report on the visual at a time. Okay, so first what we have to do, we have to write here the title of our visual, that is executive summary finance report. Executive summary finance report. Okay, in the insert ribbon, select the text box, type executive summary finance report. This will also I will copy for you so that you will type your title. You come back to your report view. Come back to the report view. Okay. Now I will type the finance report for you. Okay. And in our sheet, what we have to do, there is a text box at the top you will find, and you just click on the text box so that text box will appear in your canvas area. You just give some shape as per the requirement and copy paste the executive summary report, and you know the tools. Okay, just select it, make the size of this tool as 20 or 25, what is mentioned in the font size 20, and make it bold. Okay, make it bold, font size 20, and here we can change with the help of this format. Okay, we can change the color and the text. Okay, so what you can do, you select here, go to the color of the text, select the white color so that your text will
Sir, can you repeat again? Sir, can you repeat?
Yes. Okay. You see here, you click on the canvas area, select this text box. Okay, so this text box will appear here. Okay, adjust the size of the text box, and in the text box you can write the executive summary finance report. Okay, you have selected this executive summary by the help of mouse cursor, select all, and you make it bold. Change the size to the 20 also. Done.
सर
And
मेरे में
now
ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा है सर,
क्या ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा है?
ये सर होम पे जाके टेक्स्ट, ये सर
होम
आपने
पे जाके
ऊपर
देखो ना,
वाले ऊपर
ऊपर
वाला
वाला
सेलेक्ट किया है
टेक्स्ट,
सर?
हाँ
नहीं
टेक्स्ट
सर,
बॉक्स है ना ऊपर।
सर आपने इसमें ये सेलेक्ट किया है क्या सर? रिपोर्ट व्यू में से गए क्या सर आप?
नहीं नहीं
रिपोर्ट
नहीं,
व्यू में
रिपोर्ट
है।
व्यू में नहीं है। अरे हाँ, आपको रिपोर्ट व्यू में जाने का है ना। यस,
अच्छा, टेक्स्ट बॉक्स आया है सर,
हाँ
इसको
टेक्स्ट
अलाइन
बॉक्स आया है। हाँ, टेक्स्ट
अलाइन
बॉक्स पे
करना है।
क्लिक कीजिए। बाद में उसके
कंट्रोल
ऊपर
भी
उसके ऊपर कॉपी पेस्ट कीजिए उसमें, और उसका जो भी साइज है ना, ये साइज चेंज कीजिए, दैट इज टू द 20, 25, वॉट एवर यू वांट हियर। Okay, 20 size, then you make it bold, and now you change the color also, make the color change white, so that the background I will make the blue. And for making the background blue, you go to the format. Here on the right hand side you go to format, keep it selected, go to the format. From the format you select the effect background, it is a background color, and you select the some dark blue color or something. Okay, or the color of your choice, so that your text color is white and this border is black. And here you
सर।
can give the हाँ यस।
सर फॉर्मेट का वो नहीं आ रहा ऑप्शन इसमें।
नहीं, फॉर्मेट का है ना, आप
कलर तो
पूरा
वाइट
सिलेक्ट
हो गया
करो।
सर।
हाँ, कलर हो गया ना, तो विजुअल ये राइट हैंड साइड में आप जाइए, विजुअल का फॉर्म उसको सिलेक्ट करके रखिए। ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड देखिए, ये हिडन रहेगा डाटा के बाजू वाला, विजुअल विजुअलाइजेशन। ओके, आप इसमें गए विजुअलाइजेशन में, आप इसको ओपन कीजिए। विजुअल फॉर्मेट है ना ऊपर में,
जी जी,
सेंटर में फॉर्मेट
विजुअल
दिखा तो
फॉर्मेटिक
फॉर्मेट,
में देख रहा हूँ सर।
हाँ फॉर्मेट में
फॉर्मेट है
जनरल
सर,
आए, फॉर्मेट में जनरल आएगा।
साइज का है सर।
हाँ बस जनरल आएगा, जनरल में समझो उसमें सब कुछ है, प्रॉपर्टीज में हाइट है, विड्थ है, सब कुछ है। बाद में
हाँ
वो अगर छोड़ दिया तो बाद में इफेक्ट में आइए आप, इफेक्ट में आके कलर दिखेगा आपको, बैकग्राउंड कलर, उसमें से कलर चूज कीजिए तो बैकग्राउंड कलर आ जाएगा। ओके, टेक्स्ट, इफ यू वांट टू चेंज टेक्स्ट कलर आल्सो, यू चेंज फ्रॉम हियर ओनली। टेक्स्ट कलर यू हैव टू चेंज फ्रॉम दैट टेक्स्ट बॉक्स ओनली।
बैकग्राउंड कलर ब्लू।
ओके
ठीक है सर।
हाँ, बाद में शैडो दे, इफेक्ट में गया, शैडो देना है आपको, यू कैन गिव द शैडो आल्सो, you can give the visual border also. Okay, whatever the effect, transparency also you can select. Okay, so all the, there are hundreds of tools here. Okay, done
डन सर।
done. Okay, so ये आपका यहाँ पे जाके समझ गया। व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट स्टेप? नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज एग्जीक्यूटिव समरी फाइनेंस रिपोर्ट आपने लिखा, देन फर्स्ट योर विजुअल इज प्रॉफिट बाय डेट। ये विजुअल वी हैव टू क्रिएट राइट नाउ। ओके, सो फ्रॉम द फील्ड पेन ड्रैग द प्रॉफिट फील्ड, यू जस्ट concentrate on the heading profit by date, means two columns are here, one is date and other is profit. Okay, so simple thing. So what we will do here, from the field pane drag the profit field to the blank area on the report canvas, and by default Power BI display column chart with one column profit. Okay, now come to your report view. आप कैनवास में ब्लैंक एरिया में सिलेक्ट कीजिए, यू सिलेक्ट ऑन द ब्लैंक एरिया इन द कैनवास, एंड फ्रॉम आवर डेटा व्यू, ओके, सिलेक्ट ए प्रॉफिट and drag this profit to the blank area. Then see what happens. it will create one column, single column it has created. Okay, that is our total profit. That is our total sum of the profit. That is 1 crore 47 lakh 78,947 is a dollar, is a total profit. Now profit by date. What is our next thing is that you have to drag a date in this field. Okay, so that this profit will be bifurcated as per the dates. Okay, so once I have done, you see here this chart is separated as per the monthly profit: September, October, November, December, January, March, like this one. Done.
Done, sir.
Now drag the, everyone has done, everyone I want to listen, everyone, yes from everyone. Do you want break for 2 minutes, 5 minutes? Who has not done? Who is facing problem?
Sir, can I share my screen, sir?
You can share your screen, that is open to you.
सर मना कर रहा है वो. You cannot start screen share while other participant is sharing.
Okay, no, you can share your screen at the last moment also. That I have
Sir,
to check the.
some problem here. एक एवन है. ओके सर, हाँ इससे.
नहीं, हो जाएगा, नो प्रॉब्लम. मीन्स आपके सभी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर दूंगा मैं. ओके
सर, एन एडिशनल ऑप्शन वो दे रहा है सर इसमें टेबल, जिसमें टॉप कंट्रीज बाय टोटल यूनिट्स ओनली करके. ये तो सर बनाया ही नहीं, ये कहाँ से आ गया इसमें?
नहीं, वो आपने डबल क्लिक किया रहेगा. सुनो, उसको डिलीट कर दीजिए. वो आपने अगर कर्सर डबल क्लिक किया, देखो मैंने डबल क्लिक किया, then क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर विल कम ऑटोमेटिक लाइक दिस ना.
हाँ सर.
हाँ, यस. आप इसको यहाँ पे जाके रिमूव
कर दिया तो
बस डन. ओके, सो डोंट वरी. नाउ this chart is created. Now it is simple way. We will follow the procedure. What is the Power BI update the column chart to show the profit by the 2 years, that is 2013 and 2014. Okay, so one step we have missed here earlier. Drag the date field to the same visual if you created a calendar table in the extra credit. So what we have to do, we have to take the date from our extra credit, not from here. Okay, so date field from the extra credit. So what I will do, I will remove the date from this financial and I will drag the date from the calendar here, so that it will distribute the date in the 2 years, 2013 and 2014 profit. So you follow this step. Okay, that's why it is very important to follow the steps mentioned in this our PDF file. Okay, now in the field section of the visualization pane, select the drop down in the x-axis and change the date from date hierarchy to date. Okay, so now what you can see here, a visualization pane, you go to the visualization pane, you will see here there is a date hierarchy. Okay, here drop down menu, from date hierarchy you select the date here, so that the data will be distributed like this one. Earlier, this is the same as earlier. Okay, I went directly to the steps. So right now it is showing the profit distributed over the month. Now
sir, just a minute sir. Sir, here is a sorry x-axis, year, quarter, month, date. What I do next?
So next you have to go to this drop down menu, this arrow you can see here, arrow, drop down menu, sir. And from drop down menu, date hierarchy to date, you select the date here instead of date hierarchy.
Okay sir, done.
Okay, so So you can do this one. So this tutorial you will find somewhat critical, but once you progress and do the next, it is very funny, and you will be very interested in creating the dashboards. When you will find the dashboard created by you, and those are useful for everyone, and you can take the decision just like a bird view, that you are assuming all the project information in your single tips. Okay, and you can guide your company. So that is a beauty of Microsoft Power BI. Done.
Done, sir. Done.
Okay, so now this chart, just simply in the visualization pane, change the visualization type to the line chart. So you see here, what you will find here in visualization pane, one table is selected here, clustered column chart. You will find the clustered column chart is already selected by default, and now you change this column to the line chart. Just click on the line chart, so that your all the chart is changed to the line chart. Okay, and here you will find the same thing, that is the profit by date, that is the 2014. You will find the maximum profit 20 lakh 12,581. Done.
Done, sir.
Okay, so you don't forget to save this file. You save this file
Which name, sir?
in the today. Control
क्या
S.
नाम रख
Save. Control S. Give the today's name.
2 days?
Okay. Today's name, that is today 06/01/2023. Okay, or give your name also, no issue. Okay, so this is done. We have saved the file. Next step is, now you have converted into the line chart. Then profit by country and region. So you just, there is again profit, there is country, a region. Okay, so from the field pane, drag the country field to the blank area on your report canvas to create a map. Drag the profit field to the map, and Power BI creates a map visual with the bubble representing the relative profit to the each location. Now you see, you click on the canvas. Don't keep selected the old visual. Click on the canvas. You will find here globe, that is a map. Okay, you drag this map to the visual field, so that one map is created here. Okay.
Just a minute, sir.
Ah.
Sir, there is an error. Map and field map visual are disabled. To enable
Okay.
them, go to File option and Setting option, Globe
Okay.
Security.
Okay, so
Just
follow
a
me right now. So you follow me, everyone, follow me. Go to the file, go to the options and setting,
Yes, sir.
go to the option.
Option.
Huh.
Option and setting, sir.
Option and setting, go to the option, then you will find the security,
Security.
global options, then go to the security.
Yes,
Then
sir.
from security, you just mark this ArcGIS for Power BI and map and field map visual. You make this active.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then click OK.
Sir, another option is a map and field map visual. Use map and
Yes,
field map.
that also you click na.
Okay.
Use ArcGIS for Power BI and use map and field map visuals. Okay, so everyone is facing the same problem. I can hear only 2-3 engineers only. Everyone has to say yes, no. Mr. Mansa,
Okay, sir.
Mansa.
Issue resolved.
Okay, you are Mansa. Hemant Yadav. What about you? Sandeep Kamble. Your audio is mute or what?
Done.
Done.
Hello.
Done. You have to do. Hello. Yes, who is this?
सर मैं पावर बीआई डाउनलोड नहीं हुआ है मेरे से, कैसा करने
अरे
का?
यार फिर मैं आई कैन हेल्प यू यार, मैं आपको हेल्प करता था ना, मैंने आपको बताया पहले. If you have problem in Power BI, then what? I will tell you earlier. There are video also how to download, and right now I will share link with you. Okay.
Okay.
You see here only in this calendar, whatever the sheet I have shared with you now, there is a Microsoft Power BI desktop link. First in the starting. आपका नाम क्या है?
हेमंत यादव.
हेमंत यादव ना. हेमंत आप ऐसे लिख रहा है यार. Hemant, I will share one link with you how to download Microsoft Power BI. आज ही मॉर्निंग में शेयर किया ना एक लिंक.
नहीं सर, काम था ना, देखा ही नहीं मैं कुछ.
ओह माय गॉड.
अरे किससे बात कर रही हो तुम? इसे तो काम ना है कुछ.
व्हाट्सएप में आई हैव शेयर्ड वन लिंक.
तुम आप तुमसे काम है.
Give me some minute, 1 minute. तू घेतला का? If you are facing any problem, you just tell me. Okay. Okay, here I have shared the link. Okay. From here.
Hello.
Hello. Right now I have shared the link with you.
Okay.
Okay. आप इससे डाउनलोड कीजिए, उससे डाउनलोड कीजिए 64 बिट का. ओके. और उसमें कहीं पे पासवर्ड वगैरह आप ये मत डालिए, आपका ईमेल वगैरह कहीं पर भी मत डालो आप.
अच्छा.
ओके. हाँ. इवन आई आपने रिकॉर्डेड सेशन लिया है आपने?
नहीं लिया शायद.
हाँ, रिकॉर्डेड सेशन भी अगर लेते हैं ना तो रिकॉर्डिंग्स नहीं, फिर भी आपने रिकॉर्डेड सेशन नहीं लिया, फिर भी आपको ये जो बेसिक आज का जो ट्रेनिंग है ना, उसके लिए भी
हाँ।
आपका एनरोलमेंट फ्री है। ये पूरा कोर्स आपको फ्री दिया है ये मतलब एनरोलमेंट में।
अच्छा।
ओके यादव, आपको ईमेल
हाँ
में
हाँ।
लिंक भी है उसका। तो आप ये पूरे जो 4-5 जो वीडियोस है वो उसमें आपको मिलेंगे। कल का सेशन का नहीं है, वो रिकॉर्डेड लेना पड़ेगा आपको। लेकिन आज का जो भी सेशन है बिल्ड करने का, ये पूरे रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो आपके पास मिलेंगे, आपको एक्सेस है उसका। इवन फ्रॉम डाउनलोडिंग पावर बीआई टू बिल्डिंग ईच एंड एवरीथिंग डन। अभी आप डाउनलोड कीजिए इसको बाय द टाइम।
ते सर
ओके,
सेशन संपल्यानंतर करू का डाउनलोड? आता कसं करता येणार मला?
करा करा, संपल्यानंतर करा, चालू मध्ये करा, काही काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही आहे. म्हणजे काय
हा.
होतं की म्हणजे तुम्हाला जास्त हेल्प झाली असती याची. आणि तेच उद्या सेशन झाल्यानंतर करा आणि उद्या
हा हा.
डाउनलोड करून पूर्ण रेडी राहा, म्हणजे उद्या तुम्हाला कामात येईल ते. ओके
ओके.
ओके ओके, वी विल
ठीक.
मूव अहेड. येस. Okay, so what we have to do next is that from the field pane, drag the country field to the blank area on your report canvas to create a map. Okay, so what we have to do, I have to select a country here, so that in the map country will appear. Okay, and here I can select the profit or drag the profit here also. Okay, because I have keep it selected, so I have dragged the profit field here.
Done, sir.
Done, na? Okay, so here in the legend, if it is required, you can remove the legend also, so that only the country wise you will see the figure, sales figure. Okay, and you select the profit here, not the product, by the profit, so that depending on the bubble size you will see France has given the profit 3.3 million. Then the Europe, Germany has given 3.1 million. Then the Canada is giving the profit 3.2 million, like this one. So
But
it has
sir,
given,
if we click anywhere in circle, our chart change automatically.
automatically it will
How
show
can
the figures.
how can restore it?
How can?
Restore
No,
it.
you cannot store. Then if you want to see the figures, you have to go to visuals here, and here in the visual there are some features here, map setting or the bubble setting. Okay, like the category
sir.
label. If you go to the category label, you will find the category label. You go to the values, you can see the values here.
Sir,
Okay, in
in
the
our chart,
category.
sir, in our chart, we prepared two. In our canvas, we prepared two charts. One is map, another is line chart. So if I click in anywhere in
Anywhere.
globe chart, so then my first canvas change automatically.
Changes that is called as interactive. Means if you are clicking on the Germany, then it will give the data for the Germany only. Okay, your first charge will change as per the Germany. If you click on the Canada, next
so, sir,
charge
what I
will
do can
change.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I understand. But I want to see the all over data as I prepare the actual. So how can I do in this?
All over data means
All countries
any
data.
data. Then you click anywhere again over the same field, the same data will come back.
I'll try, sir.
Okay, you will understand step by step. Okay, if I click on the Canada, first it will change to Canada. If I change again, click on the Canada, the original data will be restored. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay. Done, sir. Done.
So here you have options like the category label. If you want to make the category label or not. Okay, it will give the category labels. Okay, done. If you want the background values, map setting, general also, a lot of things are there. Okay, tooltips and anything, title,
Yes, sir.
properties. Okay, so everything you just try here. You will get everything. Okay, done.
Yes, sir. Yes.
The next thing
Done,
is
sir.
that
Done.
next thing is that sales by product and segment. Sales, product and segment. Create a bar chart to determine which company's segment to invest in. Which segment means government sector, private sector, uh, small business sector. Like these are the segments. So where to company invest in. Drag the two charts to you have created to be side by side in the top half of the canvas. Save the some room on the left side of the canvas. Select the blank area in the lower half of the report canvas. In the field pane, select the sales, product and segment field. Okay, so what we have told that we have to create some space here. Okay, you move your canvas like this one. Done. You can move here, reshape the visuals. Okay, so this is one. And in the bottom area right now, what you can do, we will create a space for the new visual. Okay, what is the space? Drag the two charts and field pane, select the in the field, select the blank area in the lower half of your report canvas. In the field pane, select the sales, product and segment field. Sales, product and segment. Click on the blank canvas bottom. Then you select the sales first. Select the sales, then the product and then segment. So automatically one visual will be created here. Automatically one visual is created here. Okay, and what is that visual? What is that visual? That is sales of a product by segment. That is a visual here. Okay, so what you have selected? First, the sales of a product by segment. Means first column is the x-axis. Okay, x-axis, it has automatically selected the product on the x-axis. Then y-axis, sum of the sales. Y-axis, sum of the sales, and there are the legends. Okay, segment. So how your sales is as per the segment, we can see here. So here you can see the Paseo is a product who is performing well in the government sector. That is the orange color is the government sector. So Paseo product in the government section is giving the sales of 1.48 lakhs. Sorry, 148 lakhs, 1 crore 48 lakhs. Okay, then the even in the VTT product is performing in the government sector. Okay, so Paseo product is performing good in all the sectors. You see here the orange color is the highest sales in every sector. Even in the pink color is the highest in all sectors. Blue is highest in all sectors. That means Paseo product is performing well in all sectors. So this is our answer to the third question. Okay, now what is the drag the chart so that it will enough to fill the space under the two upper charts. that we have created look like the company should continue to invest in the passive product and the target the small business and government segment. Small business and government segment. These are the two, government segment and the small business, pink color one. Okay. Now we have to create one year slicer. Slicers are valuable tools for filtering the visuals on the report page to a specific selection. In this case, you can create the two different slicers to narrow on the performance for each month and year. One slicer uses the date field in the original table, the other slicer uses the date table you may have created for extra credit earlier in this visual. That means one slicer uses the date field in the original table and other slicer uses the date you may have created in the extra credit earlier. That means two slicer we are going to create here. Slicer means we are filtering all these visuals as per the date. That is called a slicer. Done. So what we have to do, in the field pane, select the date field in the financial table, drag it to the blank area on the left of the canvas. In the visualization plane, choose slicer. Power BI automatically create a numeric range slicer. Okay, so what we have to do here, drag a date from the financial. You drag a date from the financial to the blank area. Date from the financial to the blank area. Okay, so it has created date. All the date fields are appeared here. And what is the next here? Then I have to keep it selected and I have to click on the slicer. Just click on the slicer slow. So one date slicer is created here. You can see date slicer, that is 1/9/2023 to 1/12/2014. So
सर एक
this
बार
is
दोबारा
our
बताएंगे सर
date.
इसको?
Yes. Okay. You click on the canvas. Plain canvas पे
Okay.
click कीजिए. You drag the date from the data field to the canvas area so that it will provide all the available dates. Okay. Where the transaction has happened. And now you select the slicer. In the visualization pane, select this second column and the fifth row is a slicer. So one slicer is created. Done.
Okay.
And so this is a date range, and if you change the date range, you see your data is changing. All the data is changing. If you want the data from 1st January 2014, okay, to the December January 14 for the 1 year, this data, all the data is for the 1 year only. So range you can select. When you go to the client's meeting, at that time you can show him, sir, you see this is our quarter, first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, like this one, like last week's activity, this week's activity, last month activity. So everything, all the data, this is not possible in the Excel. Got done?
Yes, I know, sir.
Yes.
Not possible.
So these are the simplest things. Okay, so how you are looking forward for this type of application in the construction industry? How you are going to use it?
We control billing data, progress data, material procurement, UTC will control.
Yes. You are from which field? Billing engineer or what?
Planning manager.
You are planning manager. No, so okay. So you can utilize it. Done.
Yes.
For the
done.
Project control. Okay. So
okay, sir.
So what is the next step? Next step is now date slicer using the DAX table. Earlier we have created the DAX table. Done. In the visualization pane, choose the slicer. Same thing. What we have to do here, earlier I have selected the date from financial field. Now I have to select the date from this calendar field. Okay, I will keep here only. Done. Now select the plain canvas, drag the date from the calendar field to the blank area, and again you deselect the quarter because we do not want the quarter, and you select the slicer, so that you will be with the two drop down menu, 2013 and 2014. So in the 2014 also you will find the month, and in every month you will find the date also. So whatever the particular selection if you want to do, that you can do here. Done.
Just a minute, sir. I check. Done, sir.
Okay, so you can filter your data for 2013. You see data is changed. You can filter your data for the 2014, data is changed. Got? Even between the 2014 you can select the range also. Okay, multiple filter you can apply. You save your sheet. So you have built the complete visual. Okay, now what is required is that we have to do some good formatting, color painting. Okay, so that our dashboard look fantastic. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
So that formatting we can do through this format visual tool here. Okay, general and visual, everything, all the tools are available in these two fields. So we can do change the color, we can give the shadow, we can make the letter bold, we can change the size of the values. Okay, everything, all these facilities are available here. Now expand each year and resize your visuals so all the months are visible. Okay, all the months are visible, we can expand it also, like this one, like this. Okay, so that all the
Done,
months
sir.
are visible here. The slicer is available here. Done. Next one. Now extra credit, format the report. Format the report means we have to do some formatting. If you want to do some light formatting on this report to add more polish, here are some few easy steps. On the view ribbon, change the theme to the executive. Okay, here at the top you will find view section. There are some ready-made themes are there. Okay, so we can choose the themes from the ready-made. That is, here if we go theme gallery, customize the current theme, browse the theme from the some external data, or we whatever is told to us, that is the executive theme also. From here we have to choose the executive theme. Okay, this is the executive. So once I select, all the data will change as per the executive theme. Even I can give the multiple different themes also, dark theme, light theme. First of all, you have to resize so we can fit our data properly. Like this also we can rearrange the data.
सर ये बैकग्राउंड इमेज कैसे लाए थे सर ये?
Background image, this is from the visual. You go to the go to the view section. Okay, in the view,
ओके
in
सर.
the view you have different themes. Okay, so you can bring the themes like this one, theme of your choice.
ओके सर. Yes. You replace the in the executive themes, you replace another one.
Yes. You can check as per your choice and you change it. Okay, like this also dark theme is available. Done.
Done, sir. Done.
Now here you follow this you follow this table, and there are some more tips are given, like the title size 16 point, map style, change the theme to the grayscale, select the visual for title section, change the text size to the 16, toggle shadow, select the visual, like this one. Okay, so
Okay.
so you can
Finally
follow.
is just formatting.
Yes. Now the next thing is just formatting. Okay, like I will explain you. I am now in the, I have selected the executive format only. So what we have to you select any one of the visual. From that visual, if you want to x-axis, here it is written x-axis, then just values, you can change the size of the x-axis values, make the color black, bold also. You see here, you can see the bold. Go to the y-axis, same way, go to the values. Okay, change the size of the text, then make it a black, bold also, so that these figures are visible. Done. Then if you go to the general, go to the effect and give some shadow here, visual borders also, so it will look like this one. Same thing, you can go to the home and apply format painter also. This format painter, same thing will be applied to the another visual. Okay, same like our Excel format painter, same thing, you can apply the format painter here also, so that all these shades and everything will be here. Done.
Done, sir.
So you change one and it will be applicable to the other slicer also. So I think this today's you are okay with the today's tutorial?
Yes, sir, no problem. We learned something.
Okay. No, you have to do practice, and by tomorrow morning you do one thing, you share your detail with me before starting the next class. 11:30 we are having the class. Okay, tomorrow morning 11 we are having the class, and we will apply all the applications of this Microsoft Power BI tutorial to our construction project. We will learn the daily progress report, how to create the daily progress report, and how to prepare the dashboards from that daily progress report. That will be explained to you.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now Mr. Omar.
Yes, sir.
Are you okay? Have you created?
Yes, okay. Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes.
Mr. Sandeep. Mr. Sandeep, what about you?
Yes, I'm created. Only I'm stuck in one line. It's a date inside that I will do afterwards. But the most of things I will done.
Okay, if you want to repeat me, I can explain
Uh,
you. No issues.
can you repeat
Okay.
me after the date? Last
Which
sheet.
after date?
In a left hand side, year and month. That one.
Year and month, huh?
Yeah.
Like this one.
Yes.
Okay. I will explain you again once again. You drag from
Yeah.
the calendar field date here.
Okay.
Once you drag the date here, then remove the quarter. Remove the quarter
Okay,
from
I'm
the column. Okay. Then next you just select the slicer. Keep it selected and click on the slicer. Your data will change like this. And you will find the
Slice.
true drop down menu, that is 2013 and 2014.
Okay.
Okay. Just for a few seconds, you need to go to the file. From the file, you have to go to the export to the PDF. This file will be exported as a PDF. This is so simple. Okay. So this is your report. This report,
Okay.
you have to share with me. Done?
Okay.
Okay.
Not done.
Okay, then thank you very much.